Actually, I am really, really proud to work to Gil because I think he is one of the most vanguard directors that we have.
Vanguard.
Actually, I'm really very proud to act for Gil because he's a great director. And my experience, I had some experience in Broadway, making some dance. Will be my first movie, and I will play Elizabeth CANTU. She is the mayor of Dallas. I'm, I am very excited about it because, you know, it's a great feeling. It's a great feeling because the cast is wonderful. The director, he's very nice, easy people. He's a very easy person, and he is very patient. He knows how to deal with the cast, and um, yes, yes, I have. I have made some TV in Brazil. I made some movies in Brazil, but now this is my first international movie, and I'm so glad that I'm working in this thriller because it's a strong theme. It's very tense. In my character, I feel really something that I have to decide, things that I have to do. I am very responsible for the city of Dallas. Yes, yes, I will. Yes, yes. I'm very proud. Well, we don't know about that yet. We don't know about that yet. Well, I'm not sure about the day it will be released, but maybe there are a lot of things that I can tell. I'm not allowed to say a lot of things that I can say. And I am feeling very well in my character. I'm just feeling like a mayor. And that I'm trying to help everybody. Everybody is very nervous about the killer, the serial killer, and my responsibility is to calm down the city of Dallas. It has some relation with the Bible, and all the things in the Bible is more or less like Da Vinci Code. No, Da Vinci Code. We will have no code here, but it has something to do with Da Vinci Code. Yeah. No, it's not the second part of Da Vinci Code. No, no, no. We don't intend to do that. It's just an independent story, and we intend to do a better thing. Yeah, a bigger production than Da Vinci Code. Okay, that's all I have to say. I can't say more. Yeah, he'll be there. Bye bye. Goodbye. My pleasure.